The future isn't coming slowly. It's hitting all at once. From space-made power systems to AI machines built for war and travel, these technologies are about to rewrite how humanity survives, moves, and fights. Buckle up. We're starting the points right now. Dcubed's in-space manufacturing. Dcubed is doing something that sounds illegal in physics class: manufacturing massive solar arrays directly in space. Instead of launching heavy panels from Earth, this tech 3D prints ultra-thin solar blankets in orbit, then hardens them with UV-cured resin. That means no launch limits, no size restrictions, and insane scalability. By 2027, these space-built arrays could power satellites, beam energy, and fuel next-gen space weapons. This is orbital power on steroids. China's EngineAI T800. Built for factories, not sci-fi movies, China's EngineAI T800 is a full-size humanoid robot designed for brutal industrial work. Weighing around 80 kilograms, it can perform explosive movements, like flying kicks, while still handling precision tasks with human-like hands. Powered by advanced AI chips from NVIDIA and packed with LiDAR vision, it navigates factories in real time. This robot isn't helping humans, it's replacing them. DJI FlyCart 100. DJI just turned delivery drones into flying beasts. The FlyCart 100 can lift a jaw-dropping 80-kilogram payload, survive brutal winds, and operate in extreme terrain where trucks can't even reach. With LiDAR, radar, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, this thing flies smart, not blind. Add a 30-meter powered winch, and it can drop cargo with surgical precision. This isn't delivery, it's industrial air power unleashed. Operation Poker Night. This isn't a movie trailer, it's a hyper-realistic space combat mission. Created by ESA Frontier, the briefing drops you into a high-stakes chase across Jupiter's moons, where pilots race against time to stop a nuclear-powered threat. Every burn, intercept, and boarding maneuver feels terrifyingly real. The tension, strategy, and realism make you realize one thing fast: future wars won't be fought on Earth. Subsea cable laying. Hidden beneath the oceans lies the real internet of the planet. Subsea cable laying is how 99% of global data actually moves, not satellites. Giant ships drop armored fiber optic cables across mountains, trenches, and fault lines on the ocean floor. These cables power finance, cloud computing, video calls, and entire economies at lightning speed. One cut can disrupt nations. This silent infrastructure isn't just cables. It's the nervous system of modern civilization. Citroën ELO concept. Citroën just blurred the line between a car, a home, and an office. The ELO concept is a rolling living space with a rotating driver's seat, fold-out beds, work desks, and even a cinema-style projector. This electric minivan transforms on the fly: work mode, sleep mode, travel mode. With a flat EV floor and massive open interior, it's not a vehicle anymore. It's a lifestyle on wheels. Voxon Photonics 3D displays. Voxon Photonics just killed flat screens. Their tech creates true 3D holograms you can walk around. No glasses, no tricks. By spinning LED arrays at insane speeds, it projects millions of light points floating in real space with real depth and parallax. Medical models, engineering data, games, everything appears physically there. This isn't AR or VR. It's reality upgraded to 3D. Radiant's Kaleidos. Radiant is shrinking nuclear power into something that fits on a truck. Kaleidos is a portable nuclear micro-reactor designed to replace diesel generators with clean, non-stop energy for years. No refueling, no water, no emissions. It can power military bases, disaster zones, and remote infrastructure where grids don't exist. This is nuclear energy going mobile, and it could completely rewrite global power control. UVision's Hero 120. UVision built a weapon that hunts, waits, and strikes on command. The Hero 120 is a man-portable loitering munition that silently patrols the sky for up to an hour before diving into tanks or fortified targets with brutal precision. Operators can abort mid-flight or change targets in real time, even in GPS-denied zones. This isn't a missile, it's a thinking weapon, and that's what makes it terrifying. Archax. Tsubame Industries turned science fiction into a pilot-driven transformer robot. Archax stands over 4.5 meters tall, shifts between vehicle and humanoid modes, and is controlled from a cockpit packed with cameras and joysticks. Each arm moves with precision through dozens of joints, giving operators real-time, lifelike control. Built for disaster response, construction, and future space missions, this isn't a toy. It's a human inside a machine of pure power. Vertical Aerospace's Valo. Vertical Aerospace is pushing urban travel into the air. Valo is a next-gen electric air taxi built for silent, zero-emission city flights at jaw-dropping speeds. With multiple redundant motors, airline-level safety systems, and a premium cabin, it's designed to move people over traffic, not through it. Airport to downtown in minutes. This isn't a helicopter upgrade, it's cities going vertical. Terran R. Relativity Space is building a rocket designed to reset the launch industry. Terran R is a fully reusable, methane-powered monster capable of rivaling Falcon 9 while being produced in record time using massive 3D printing. It can deploy huge satellite constellations or support future human missions. Fast production, full reusability, insane payloads. This isn't just a rocket. It's space flight on factory speed mode. Bombardier Global 8000. Bombardier just unleashed the fastest business jet on Earth. The Global 8000 flies at near supersonic speeds, crossing continents non-stop while cruising higher than most commercial aircraft. Inside, it's pure luxury. Private bedroom, living zones, ultra-quiet cabin. But the real shock is performance. This jet connects cities like Dubai to Los Angeles without stopping. It's not travel anymore. It's domination of the sky. Hyundai Mobed robot. Hyundai just reinvented how robots move in the real world. Mobed uses intelligent wheels and AI balance control to glide over stairs, bumps, and rough terrain while carrying payloads smoothly. Packed with cameras, LiDAR, and autonomous navigation, it can deliver goods, patrol facilities, or operate in disaster zones without human control. This robot doesn't walk or roll. It adapts, making traditional delivery bots instantly obsolete. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is humanity's ultimate energy cheat code, the same reaction that powers the sun. By smashing hydrogen atoms together at over 100 million degrees, fusion releases massive energy with no carbon emissions and no long-lived nuclear waste. Governments and private labs are racing to make it practical, promising near-limitless power for centuries. If fusion goes commercial, energy wars end, electricity becomes cheap, and civilization levels up overnight. This isn't energy, it's a planetary reset button. Skydio autonomous drones. Skydio is turning security into a 24/7 AI-powered force. These drones launch themselves, patrol non-stop, and respond to threats in seconds. No human pilot needed. Using advanced computer vision, thermal imaging, and night vision, they identify intruders and slash false alarms by up to 90%. Bright lights, sirens, and live video scare threats away before damage happens. This isn't surveillance anymore. It's automated defense from the sky. The future you just saw isn't decades away. It's already being built right now. These technologies will decide who leads, who falls behind, and how the world truly works. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because this is only the beginning.